Okay, hello YouTube. Lily, what are we doing today? Okay. It's a rocket bottle. Yeah, it's a bottle rocket. Whoa, it went up. No! Yeah, it just blew up. It's...
Make sure you don't get your dress wet.
Oh yeah, I put them over there. I put all the rattle buckets over here. Okay.
It's so cold. It's okay. Just walk around.
I can't show Lily on YouTube or I'll get demonetized. Okay. No, this can't be freaking facing upwards. Okay. I apologize. I can't hold the...
That's why people spend so much money. They go back and get more.
I know.
Oh, Papa, you just gonna blow yourself up. What? Yee. Like the smoke bomb. Yeah, I will like the smoke bomb. Okay. Yes. Smoke bomb. Okay.
What are you doing?
Trying to light. This is not working.
You ain't got a steady hand.
I know. Papa, I'm recording. Okay. It's just a smoke bomb. They don't do anything. Yeah. It's really... There's blue smoke everywhere. Oh, the pink one. Yes. They're just smoke bombs. They're made for daytime. Yeah, there's mixing. Mix them. Mix them. It's a galaxy. It's a galaxy.
Pink ones, blue ones, red ones, they have all.
Whoa, that one's still going. I'll just put my foot in it. Ah! Okay, someone's trying to call me, but I'm recording a video. It was Andy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Andy's trying to call. Dale, go in and call him.
Yeah, go in and call him, please. There's still pink smoke everywhere. YouTube has no idea who Andy is. Where's my punk at?
I got it right here.
Oh.
She's standing in front of you.
What? Oh, that is a punk, isn't it? I'm just kidding. Well, Pink calls her some bad names worse than punk.
This is how a 5-year-old holds
Oh yeah, I showed a Bibby. Okay. Bibby, can I have... I won't show your face. I'm showing the Bibby though. Bibby's cute.
She's got her punk.
Can I please borrow your punk, please? Thank you. I'm sorry. I need... Where'd I put it? Oh.
Right there.
Where? I don't... No, I picked white. Oh, there it is.
Okay, but I take back.
It's hard to light them and show the...
Right.
It's another smoke bomb. Yee. These are only daytime fireworks. Woo. I know, it makes me cough too. Do you want to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello.
Sing your song.
Let it go. Okay.
That's Elsa's song. She's like, what is that?
Oh, where are they at?
Where's
In
what?
the trailer, your roller skates are in there.
Oh.
You can roller skate in the shop.
Okay.